Hi everyone, welcome back to another Cut Above with Chris. It's game day, Manchester United versus Aston Villa in Perth, Western Australia. It's been a long time since I've seen the Reds play, that's for sure, a long time, 15 years plus. So I'm looking forward to it. They've had some good results so far, they've played some good football for a change, and I'm just looking forward to it, to be honest. As you see from the video, this is what I'm using, Devils on the Field by Lather Bros. This one was made for the channel, and it's the only one in the world that has that fantastic logo on it, Manchester United. Scent on it is a sweet green grassy scent. It smells a bit like when you walk into a freshly cut stadium, really, with the grass, baseball pitch, wherever it be. Nice grassy scent. The wife hates it, so I'll be using the soap, having a shower, and then putting on some nice aftershave or something after that. But let's get stuck in. The brush, I'm just going to use it again because I've actually enjoyed using this knot. I think it's a really nice little knot. The brush handle maybe not so much, but the knot's lovely. 25mm I think it is, Manchurian finest. So this isn't the silver tip, this is the finest. I think he said it's got bleached tips and that's it, but nothing, there's no like gelling or anything, it's not been overly bleached. It does have bleached tips, but other than that it's just a standard Manchurian knot, which is a very nice knot. I've got 3 days growth. I've got Rapsy Nesbitt playing in the background, and here we go. So I spoke about a brush design that I'd done in my last video. I put that forward to Frank Sherry, and he's going to give it a go, see if he can recreate it, or create it should I say, not recreate it, create it for the first time ever. I've also got something else in the pipeworks as well regarding a brush, a collaboration, which, Jesus, look at that. See that? I haven't used this soap in a long time. I'm going to go with that. Oh, this is I think I've way overloaded this. So the kids are excited, I'm excited. The wife not so much, the weather's going to be pretty shitty today. Just put that to the side now. This looks strange, this 3 days growth. I haven't had 3 days growth in about 2 weeks. So, someone had posted in a few Facebook groups about brushes, and what people thought was not so much what's more important, but I know the knot's the most important part of a brush, but whether people would take a handle with a great knot that is not a very nice handle over a really nice handle with a poor knot, or not a very nice knot in it, that can obviously be extracted in exchange for any knot you want, hand tied, anything you want. And the majority of people chose the knot with the shit handle. I think that was how it worked out. I'm not in Facebook groups anymore, so I don't really know, but I thought that was quite a strange one, because I mean obviously everyone is completely different. I prefer, the knot has to be good for me to enjoy it, hands down. But if the handle's not nice, I don't have much interest in using it. I'm using this one really because I'm enjoying the knot so much, but this will either go to my son, or I might send it out to some people to give it a go, to just sort of feel what this knot feels like. Yeah, I thought that was quite I wasn't expecting that result to come back. You know, I would much rather have a really nice handle, exactly what I want, is something so different, and then put the knot that I want in it, even if it's got a knot already in it. Most of the quality knot makers and turners and stuff can get the knots out reasonably easy without damaging the handle. tremendous scrub. It's not over scrubby. It's just got a lot of scrub, but it seems to be just soft enough in the middle not to irritate my skin. And as you see, it creates a lovely lather. Now this is Lather Bro's old formula. This is, I don't know how many formulas old, but this is the one with pineapple puree in it. I do have a tub of this, one of the latest formulas. Well, I don't even know if it's the latest formula, but a later formula to give away with some other bits and bobs. It's going to be quite a big giveaway. I'm holding off till I get to a point where I'm finished adding to it. Right, there we go. Fantastic. They're not as chock-a-block. And here we go with the Karve Christopher Bradley razor with the same Polsilver. Nothing different. Sorry. These Polsilver blades are lovely. Definitely feel better after the second and third use, and then they seem to get even better again in the fourth, fifth and sixth use. Right, reasonably quick shave. I want to be done and dusted and let my skin settle down before we leave. Pretty good so far. Just going to dip the tips. Squeeze the soap out of the knot. Might as well use this now. This is my last pass. There we go, just clean my hands off. Get the razor. Now, the Karve, my hands are really wet. I've got probably a little bit of soap on there, not much. It's got great grip. The knurling on this handle's fantastic. Right, final pass. What?
I want you to put some washing in.
Yep, after I finish my shave, mate.
Yeah. He said after you finish the shade.
It's a really, really light touch over here. That's interesting. And both sides of this blade feel very smooth. They feel very sharp, they still feel very efficient, they feel great, both of them, both sides. But one side's definitely smoother. Right, just rinse out the sink. That water running, I'll rinse the brush out. Another perk with this brush, not a perk, but another great thing with it, is that it rinses out very, very easily. There's not a lot of water wasted when you're rinsing it out. That's it, rinsed out already. It's that quick. I don't want to jinx that so far, but I think that's a blood-free shave, which might be my first since I came back to my channel, really. I think I've had blood on every single shave, and I think that might be blood-free. What a shave, fantastic. See, devil's on the field, lather brooch, cannot go wrong. And there it is. Fantastic soap, fantastic scent if you like grassy type scents. Now, I believe they did sell quite a lot of them. I hope whoever bought them is enjoying it. It's definitely different, you know, it's a grassy scent. But, I don't know, just invokes memories, and the label for me and everything just surrounded by it. So I do have the balm as well, which I'm not using today. I'll use this during the giveaway shave when I use this soap again. Devil's on the Field, menthol in here. This is one of the best balms on the market. This stuff's fantastic, really, really good. The brush was the Frank Shaving 25mm silver tip. Once you actually wet this brush and soften it, the tips are so soft. They're not very soft when they're dry. I think the bulb's a really nice shape. I think it matches this little handle lovely. I think it actually aesthetically looks nice in this handle. And that wasn't too bad this time. I didn't wash the handle once. I sort of, a little bit of soap on it, but not much. I just dealt with it. I can't believe I've got no blood after that. That I can see anyway. The Karve Christopher Bradley razor with the B plate and 6th use, Polsilver, 7th use, I don't know, maybe round about that anyway. Still feels fantastic. One side smoother than the other, but sometimes that's how it goes. Anyway, that's me done and dusted. I hope we get a good result today at the football, and I'll catch you guys next time. Stay safe, drive safe, don't drink and drive. I'll see you later.